Hello children, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 GK class. Children, this is my first video of this week, so with hope you all will watch this video and try to understand. Children, in this video I am going to teach you the chapter 17, page number 23, and the name of the chapter short names. Use short word, but something I would like to tell you about the short names. We use short word are easier to understand and to speak also. Big words take time to speak and to write. So for our convenience we use some short words of the given big words. Okay children, so now let us start the chapter is here, chapter 17 and page number 23. Like first word is here paper. Paper for newspaper. Paper for newspaper. By the help of paper, children, we get news or information of our society, our state, or also another state, and also we get news from our out of country. Okay children, so here is the paper is a short word of newspaper. Now next one is here, next word. Up to the next is here aeroplane. Yes, we use plane. In short, we speak plane, plane for aeroplane. Spelling of aeroplane aeroplane, aeroplane. Plane or aeroplane saves our time. It is the fastest way to travel. We can go anywhere in very less time. So what is the short word of aeroplane? What will I say? Plane. Now next one is here. After that, auto for auto rickshaw. AUTO, auto, RICKSHAW, sha. Auto rickshaw or auto provides cheap and efficient transportation. We can move or we can go one place to another place in very less amounts. Yes children, modern auto run on compressed natural gas. In short we say CNG, and liquefied petroleum gas. In short we say LPG, due to government regulators. Okay, due to government regulation, we modern auto, it runs on compressed natural gas, CNG or LPG. Now next one is here. What? Freeze for refrigerator. FRIDGE, freeze. In short we say freeze for refrigerator. Spelling of refrigerator REFRIGERATOR, refrigerator. Refrigerator, or we can say freeze, it keeps our food clean. What? Cold. It keeps our food cold. Cold temperature help food stay fresh longer. Okay children, now next one is here hanky. Hanky for handkerchief. HAND, hand, KERCHIEF, chief. Handkerchief. We use hanky to keep ourselves clean and to dry sweat while going and moving anywhere. It's sweating from our body. We can, by the help of hanky, we can whip it. Okay children, and also we should use what? Clean hanky. Now next one is here phone for telephone. PHONE, phone for telephone. People use telephone their homes to connect with family, and Alexander Graham Bell was the inventor of telephone. Okay children, so they used to talk with others. Now next one is here cell or mobile for mobile phone. MOBILE, mobile. PHONE, phone, mobile phone. Mobile phone we can use talk with others with the help of mobile phone. In mobile is one more quality. In mobile we can carry easily anywhere, and it is also we can we can hold in hand because it is small in size. So mobile phone in short we say mobile, or we can say cell, cell, cell. Now next one is here. Next, remote for remote control, remote for remote control, remote, remote for remote control, control, control. Remote control or clicker is an electronic device used to operate another device from distance, usually wireless. Okay, now next one is here. Pressure cooker, in short we say cooker, cooker. Cooker. And big words of cooker we say pressure cooker, pressure, cooker. Cooker for pressure cooker. Pressure cooker are designed to make short work of slow cooked dishes. They can reduce cooking times by up to 50% and also retain nutrients while making them an healthy cooking method. Yes, it reduces the timing to cook. Okay children, now next one is here. Internet, in spelling of internet, inter, net, net. In short we speak net, net. From net we can search for anything on the net, and it also provides a good source of entertainment. Okay children, we can search anything. Now next one is here. So children, I hope you all have understood. Now some also big words are there. We all will do we will write in short, like in metro rail. We write rail. In short we write rail. Spelling of rail, 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 rail. Rail is the short words of metro rails, and metro rail we can go one place to another place by the help of metro rails. Now next one is here. Toothpaste, in short we speak paste. What do we speak? Paste. And spelling of paste, paste, paste. In short we say paste. And big word of paste, what you will say? Toothpaste. And why do we use toothpaste? To keep our teeth clean, and so we should always brush our teeth with the help with Colgate and with paste twice a day. So paste for toothpaste. Now next one is here. TV for television. In short we write TV for television. And why do we can see, we can watch television. Okay, we can entertain ourselves, we can watch movie, we can listen music, news also on television. So in short we speak TV. Okay children, now next one is here. Next word is here. Grandfather. In short we speak grandpa. Grand, grandpa. Grandpa is the short word of grandfather, and also know they love us. Okay, he is the father of the father, and also we can say he is the head of the family. They love us too much. Now next one is here. Grandma for grandmother. Grandma for grandmother. She tells us stories. She loves us very much. So what is the grandpa? What do we write? Grandma for grandmother. Grand, ma for grandmother. Now next one is here. Bro, bro for brother. Yes, we play with brother. In short we speak bro, bro. Now next one is here. Sis, sis, sis for sister. In short we speak sis, and we can share our things with sister. We can play with us or with her also. So sis for sister, sister, sister. In short we speak sis. Now next one is here. Mom or mom for mother. She loves us, she take care of us. So in short we can say mom, mom, or we can say mom. And spelling of mother, mother. Mother. Next one is here. tablet. Tablet in short we say tab. Okay, T-A-B, tab. In tablet we can also entertain ourselves, we can watch movie, we can listen music, many things we can do on tablet. So for tablet we can speak only tab, because tab is a short word of tablet. Understood, children? Now after that, so children, these are the short names of big words. Now children, after that what will I do? We will learn the months name with their number of days. Yes, we all will see months name with the number of days. Let's see, start from first month of the year. You all know which is the first month of the year. January. January is the first month of the year. There are 31 days in the month of January. Okay, now next one is here. After that, February. 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 February has 28 days. It is the less number of the months. Okay, children. Now next one is here. March. Spelling of March, M-A-R-C-H, March. In March there are 31 days in the month of March. Now next one is here. After the March, after April. Spelling of April, A-P-R-I-L, April. There are 30 days in the month of April. Now next, April after May, M-A-Y, May. In May there are 31 days in the month of May. Now next one is here. Now June, J-U-N-E, June. There are 30 days in the month of June. Spelling of June, J-U-N-E, June. Now next after July. Spelling of July, J-U-L-Y, July. And also in the month of July there are 31 days. Okay, children. Now next one. After that, August. Spelling of August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August. And also there are 31 days in the month of August. Now next one is here. After that, August after September. Spelling of September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. And there are 30 days in the month of September. Now next one is here. After that, September after October. Spelling of October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. There are 31 days in the month of October. Now after that is here, October after which month will come? November. Spelling of November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November. And in the month of November there are 30 days. How many days in the month of November? What will you speak? 30. Now next one, November. At last you know very well, November after which month will come? December. Spelling of December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. There are 31 days in the month of December. And also you know children, December is the last month of the year. January is the first month of the year and December is the last month of the year. So children, we have seen here, so total number of days in the month, in each month. Now, so what we have learned, there are 4 months have 30 days. How many months have 30 days? What will you say? 4 months have 30 days. Name: April, June, September, November. April, June, September, November. Now next one is here. What? There are 7 months have, what will you say? 31 days. Which one? May, August, July, March, January, December or October. There are 7 months have 31 days. And I also know, and February has only very less day, 28 days. So only 1 month have 28 days in the month of February. Okay children, so that's why it is said that February is the least month of the year. So children, I hope you all have understood very nicely. At home, what will you do children? You will learn the days with their number of days. You all will learn the months name with their number of days, and also you will learn the short names of the given big words. Understood children? And also complete the page number. So for today I would like to say you thank you and have a good day.